Hi friends, Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, Fluent in Malayalam. Today, through this video, we are going to learn 50 grocery items name in Malayalam language. If you are a non-Malayali in Kerala and if you have struggling with knowing the grocery items name, or if you saw a yummy recipe in internet and you have no idea how to make it just because it is all in Malayalam but no English translations are given, then this video is for you. So stay with me and enjoy this video. So in this video, what I have done is I have written the names in English and then what they sound in Malayalam. So that's also in English. Script is English, and then I have included the Malayalam script because one of my viewers have actually requested to include this so that it will be much better for all of you who's trying to learn Malayalam. And I felt like, okay, that would be a really great idea. So whenever you learn like this, you can actually learn more and more about the script, how these letters look like, how each is pronounced. That will be more clear when you learn like this. And day by day, you'll get better in the language and you'll be able to read billboards, signboards, etc. So please listen carefully. Rice, rice is Iri, Iri. Wheat is Godambu, Godambu. Sugar is Panchasara, Panchasara. Salt is Uppu, Uppu. Oil is Enna, Enna. Coconut oil is Velichenna, Velichenna. Gingerly oil or sesame oil is Nallenna, or it is also called Ellenna, Nallenna or Ellenna. Ghee or clarified butter is Neyye, Neyye. Butter is Venna, butter is Venna. Milk is Pal, Pal. Curd or yogurt is Tayir, Tayir. Buttermilk is More, More. Tamarind is Puli, Puli. Mustard is Kadugu, Kadugu. Fenugreek is Uluva, Uluva. Chili is Mulagu, Mulagu. Red chili is Chuvanna Mulagu because red is Chuappu, the color Chuappu. So Chuvanna Mulagu, red chili. Green chili, Pacha Mulagu. Pacha means green, so Pacha Mulagu. Kashmiri chili. Kashmiri chili is Kashmiri Mulagu because Kashmir is basically a place, so there is nothing to change there. So Kashmiri Mulagu. Pepper is Kurumulagu, Kurumulagu. Coriander is Malli, Malli. Coriander leaves is Malli ila because leaves is ila, so Malli ila. Turmeric, turmeric is Manyal, Manyal. Ginger is Inji, Inji. Onion, onion is Ulli, Ulli. Big onion is Valiya Ulli or Sabola or Savala. Valiyadu means big. So big onion is Valiya Ulli. And we also say Sabola or Savola. Shallots is Cheriya Ulli. Cheriya means little or small. Cheriya Ulli. or chuvanna ulli. Since it has the red color, it is also called chuvanna ulli. Garlic is vellulli or velutulli. Vellulli or velutulli because it is white in color. Veluttadu means white. Mint leaves is pudina ila. Pudina ila. Asafoetida is kayam. Kayam. Powder in general is podi. Powder in general is podi. So since you already learned these items, chili, coriander, you can just add podi with them to tell the powder of that. So chili powder is mulagu podi. Mulagu podi. Coriander powder is malli podi. Malli podi. Turmeric powder is manjal podi. Manjal podi. Rice powder is aripodi. Aripodi. So all you need to know is what the item name is and then just add the word podi to denote the powder of that item. Cinnamon. So coming to the spices. Cinnamon is karwa patta. Karwa patta or simply patta means cinnamon. Bay leaves is karwa ila. So both of them come from the same plant. One is a bark, cinnamon is the bark of the tree, and bay leaves is the leaves of the tree. So karwa ila means leaves of, so karwa ila, same plant but the leaves. Cinnamon is karwa patta. Cloves is grambu. Grambu. Cardamom is elakaya. Elakaya. Cumin or jeera is jeeragam. Jeeragam. Fennel is perum jeeragam. Perum jeeragam. Because jeeragam and perum jeeragam means that this is big jeeragam. So perum means big. Another word for big. So perum jeeragam. Fennel. Nutmeg is jadika. Nutmeg is jadika. Mace is jadipatri. Jadipatri. And as you know, the both of them come from the same plant. One is a seed, one comes from the seed nutmeg, and the other is covering of the seed. The maize is covering of the seed. It is jadi patri. Star anise is takkolam. Takkolam. Sesame is ell. Ell. Curry leaves is karivepila. Karivepila. Raisin is unakamundiri. Unakamundiri. Because we call grapes mundiri. Mundiri, so unakka mundiri means dried grapes. Unakka mundiri. Cashew nut is andi parippu. Andi parippu. Tea is chaya and coffee is kapi. Tea is chaya and coffee is kapi. So the question for you is that what will you say for tea powder and coffee powder? So I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please use the comment section to give your answers for tea powder and coffee powder. And if you have any more suggestions, please note that down in the comment section. As usual, please like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I have one more thing to say this time. I have actually started another channel. It's my vlog channel, my lifestyle channel from USA. So if you are really interested in knowing the lifestyle in USA, please take a look at that and please support me like the way you supported this channel. I am copying the link in the comment section. Just take a look there. Thank you for watching this video. Nandi Namaskaram.